Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share an amazing mascara with you, and I also believe that this one beats them all. And you are not going to be disappointed, trust me. But before we're getting into the video, I just want to remind you that this is an independent channel, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you so much for your support, and now let's get back to the mascara. As I've tried so many mascaras from all price ranges that I always come back to drugstore mascaras, because why should I spend more money on a mascara if a drugstore mascara performs the same as a high-end one? And so the current drugstore mascara that I love using is the Lash Princess by Essence. This one is the waterproof version, but as well as the normal one perform beautifully. But then I was browsing on a website to see for new makeup products, and there was one mascara that always got it basically was a recommendation from the website itself, where it would say on the bottom, yeah, you have to try it, this is our bestseller, etc. And so they finally got me, because it was always on the bottom of the website. And so before I'm getting to the application, I want to share with you the mascara I want, as well as I purchased it in the color black. And this is what the mascara wand looks like. It looks like a simple mascara wand, and I wasn't really too impressed when I first got it. But I was curious about why would they tell me that this is the current bestseller? And so I wanted to give it a go. And after a few times of trying it out, I was really impressed. And this is also what I'm going to show you now in a close-up. Now you see that my lashes are clean, and I'm going to start off with the first coat of mascara, which I'm going to wiggle through my lashes. And what I do love about this mascara is that you first can coat it, like 1 or 2 coats or even more, without having any clumpy lashes or spider lashes later on. And it just gives you such a deep black and also beautiful finish when it comes to the lashes itself. It just gives you that stunning finish, as well as not looking too fake, but it still looks natural, and it just gives you that beautiful curve as well. And I'm going to do the other side as well, and it just gives you such a beautiful finish. And it wants, from my experience, it wants much. Sometimes if I'm doing more than one makeup look, I like to remove the top part so that I can start again. And then most of the time when I have mascara on, it would smear on the bottom, because the mascara is so easily to transfer that it's going to mess everything up, and then I have to start all over again rather than just finishing off the eye, which is really annoying. And with this one, it kind of stays put, even though it doesn't say that it's waterproof, but it says that it's heat and also sweat resistant, which is already such a big claim. And I have to say that I do have to agree with it, because if I'm going to smear it around, give it a second to let it dry, and I always have the problem that it can smudge right here for some reason, I don't know why. With this one, it doesn't happen. I can take a makeup remover and also wipe above, but it won't smear the mascara, which is so impressive. And also it gives you such a beautiful and natural finish, as well as with such an intensity of a black color. And I was like, why can't I just stick with the mascara that I have? Why should I spend more money on a new mascara which wouldn't work? But this one just is so gobsmacking that it just changes everything. And this is now my new favorite mascara, and I can't believe that how smudge proof this is. It's not going to move around, you can layer it, it's not going to give you any spider legs. It has such an intensity of black, it's not too wet but also not too dry, because this is something that can happen with waterproof mascaras, that they are so stiff that you always will end up with some clumps. And so with this one doesn't do it, and it just gives you a beautiful finish. Now the one that I'm talking about the entire video is the one by Bobbi Brown, and it's the Smokey Eye Mascara. And this one was the one that always would pop up on the bottom of the website that I should buy it because it's a bestseller. So they got me, and yeah, now I have a new Bobbi Brown item, and I'm obsessed with it because it gives you such a beautiful finish. And I truly believe now, since this is the first high-end mascara that does something that I can't compare it against other mascaras, that this one is truly unique. So if you want to have an amazing experience with a mascara, this one wouldn't or doesn't disappoint you at all, trust me, because I know the issues, as well as when it's about smudging, removing the makeup, having the mess all over, and then you can't start all over again. I know that feeling, which is really annoying. With this one, it didn't happen, and so this is all what counts, and I'm already sold with this mascara. Now, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. This is the little gem that I found for myself that does work, and I love it so much. So if you want to give it a try, I definitely can recommend it for you guys as well. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you in this little demonstration as well as review. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!